guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is a makeup tutorial on this look. I know it's been a while since I dropped a video. To be honest, I haven't tried my best. I have pretty much shot and deleted 3 videos. Like, some days it just doesn't work. I'm so pleased with how this particular video came out, and I hope I can get it out within the next day or 2. If it's your first time on my channel, you're very much welcome. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the fam, and tap on the bell so you can get notifications every time I post a video. And if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And with that being said, let's just jump right into the video. I'm going to start by priming my face, and I'm going to be using my Becca First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. That is a lot of words. I am just going to be priming my face with my Becca primer. And next I am going to fill my brows, and I'm going to be using my Anastasia Deep Brow Pomade in Ebony. Yeah. Now that I'm done with my brows, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Super Stay Foundation, and this one's in shade 350C. Like, look at this, guys, like full coverage. You can barely even see any of my acne spots. Covers everything, covers all your sins away, takes all the blemishes away. To conceal and contour my face, I am going to be using my Fenty Beauty Match Stix as usual. I'm just going to go in with my Maybelline Concealer just to kind of brighten up my under eyes a little bit. I'm going to be setting my face with my Kat Von D Brightening Powder in Golden. I love this palette. It just kind of like glides on my skin, kind of like smooth. And now that I'm all set up like a masquerade, we're going to move to the eyes. And I do feel like doing something purple, hence my little nice purple crop top here. I'm going to start by using Zobo from this palette. I have already primed my eyes, and I just used my concealer and I set it with the same setting powder as I used for my under eye. So I'm going to go in with Zobo, and I'm going to take this out of my crease. This palette is very pigmented, so you want to start small and then build it up. Because I'm just putting it on the sides and just blending it and taking it into the crease as well. Just gonna go in with a different blending brush, and I'm just gonna keep working and blending. I'm gonna go back one more time just for a little more touch of color. So I'm just gonna keep alternating, keep adding some more color, and keep blending. I really want the purple to be, you know, like the star of the whole situation. And I'm going back to the same NYX Conceal, Contour, and Correct palette, and I'm gonna, this palette is almost done, guys. I'm trying to like use it up and be done with it. I'm gonna use the lightest one I can find. I'm gonna use this one at the bottom. I realize it's always better to use kind of like a thicker concealer when trying to do like a cut crease or a really sharp halo eye. For some reason it just works better. So I'm just gonna go as high as I can. I think this is high enough. And then I'm just gonna drag it down. I'm gonna try and make like what you call it, an arc sort of. And going back to my palette, I'm gonna apply Calabar to where I have applied my concealer. I am gonna go into Burkina, and I am just gonna take this slightly above where I have my cut crease. Just gonna try and blend it out a little. For under my eyes, I'm gonna go back again with Zobo. And for my inner tear duct, I'm gonna go into Dahlia. I'm not sure if that's the right pronunciation. I'm just gonna apply this to my inner tear duct. So to apply my lashes, I pretty much just use some drugstore lashes. I'm gonna leave them in the description box below. You can check them out. They're really thin, so I pretty much had to double it up, and I was really surprised that it came out looking good. This is my first time doubling lashes. Anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and line my eyes. I'm using my Master Precise eyeliner in black, and this is by Maybelline. I'm gonna go ahead and apply my mascara, and I'm using the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara, and this one's in black. From my BH Cosmetics Nude blush palette, I am going to be using this color right here. I love these blushes. They're so subtle, nothing crazy, nothing dramatic. I feel like they're perfect for like dark skin girls. Okay, the highlighter, I'm going to be using my one and only trusted Maybelline Masterchrome highlighter in Molten Gold. My hand, I'm just going to apply off the bridge of its bowl. Okay, so next we gotta move on to the lipstick. I'm not exactly sure what lipstick I want to use, so I'm gonna need a moment to decide. For my lips, I'm gonna be using PMS, and this is one of the Fenty Beauty lipsticks. But first of all, I'm gonna line my lips with a dark brown pencil, and this one's an Essence pencil, and this one's in Teddy. I just got it from my local Shoppers Drug Mart. They are really cheap for like $2.99. Not a lot of color payout, but it kind of does the job. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. What do you think about this look? Is it something you would wear? And let me know if you've tried any of the Fenty Beauty lipsticks. I only got 2, and this is pretty much the only one that I actually do like. I'm thinking I'm going back and getting the Candy Venom because I think it's a really nice shade of pink, but we'll see. Anyways, guys, this is pretty much the end of the video. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Okay, I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.